Okay, everybody, Google reported the earnings from 5:15 all the way, and here it is, a 60-minute chart. We knew that we had to buy puts the other day, and we just hit 485, and we're popping off of that low. Now, I'm going to say that the thing about Amazon, they issue downside guidance, man. That's how sick that stock. We are going to be shorting Amazon all day long because they gave downside guidance. But let's get back to Google. Google, unfortunately, is missing their earnings, you guys. And Google paid clicks, once again, the paid clicks increased 14% over the fourth quarter of 2013, approximately 11% over the third quarter of 2014. That's a very big thing of why Google is getting creamed right now. And I'm going to show everybody one thing. That bottom in at 485 has been a tremendous amount of support there. Now, these are after our earnings. And I'm going to be happy to say one thing. The preliminary number was $6.88 versus the $7.13 Capital IQ consensus estimates. They missed. And guess what else? Revenues were $18.1 billion versus $18.44 billion Capital IQ consensus. Hey, listen. Google missed on all metrics. And we had put options, and we will go over those put options with everybody and how we bought. Remember, this hit 515 here, and then on the bottom end, it is hitting that 485, and they're coming up off of that bottom. And we're going to talk a lot more. We love to buy the dips in after hours. We've done this ever since Google went public in August of 2004. Nothing has changed. And here's the other thing that everybody needs to know. Right here, we have Google on a lot of trades. And on stockmarketfunding.com, you're going to find out about these earnings season. And yes, all you have to do is type in Google right here in the search. G-O-O-G. There you go. Once you type it in, it's going to show you all. Well, here, back in October, when Google was at 513 and earnings missed back in those days. We have everything on Google that you would want. And we got seriously click down on number 2, 3, go all the way over to number 10, and even go more. That's how big we are on it. We have bought it. Go to trading, click the free trial, get started today. Get started right there. I got nothing to say. Go over here, open an account. Yes, we will give you trading capital. Yes, you got to open that up. Yes, you can get started today. Yes, you're not going to have the pattern day trading rule for people that have less than, and it tells you all right here. It tells you right here. And also, you're going to get buying power. We're going to get back to the Google trade. We are long off of the bottom. And in order to hedge our bet, we had to get hit. Now, they're coming back up at 499. So, from 485, and we have lots of people that trade it. We've been trading it from day one. So, we're going to get down to the core principle of what these options, and remember, we can't lose money because one side is going to lose some, but we bought this thing, that wick hit our price, and we got an entry at 492. We weren't at 485, and we're selling into the move right now. Here, teletype that back for me. Are you out? Tell Johnny and Tommy both. I got to know. All right, there. So this is the Google trade, and this is after our earnings, and we're going to continue our next big daddy biotech called BIIB. that is pumping at 374. And this one here, we have call contracts. I mean, the biotech sector has been the hottest sector all of 2012, 13, 14, and definitely we're starting out January of 2015, and that stock over there, we're going to cover it. We have call options on it. We had put options and call options, and we're buying the equity. Yes, and we will. Listen, just to let you know, people, on the Amazon trade, I'm going to throw that in here right now. And I want you to see it right now. Here, hold on. So here's what I want you to see right now on Amazon. One more time, and I'll pull it up later. We got close to my price target that I gave to Zoe, and that was 340.5. And he was told that a couple of minutes ago. And you can see it didn't quite make the 50 cents, but we still got short. We still got short at 338.5 on Amazon, and we're dropping like a rock. Okay, and here's the Amazon. Just throw it in with the Google right there. And I gave Zoe that number, where we went and got that number, where that would go. Anyway, we're going to conclude this big daddy Google. I'm going to put it right back in here now. G-O-O, what? G-O-O-G. There it is now. Kabingo. Right here. There it is. There it is. 501. It's had a 15, 16, buddy. It had a $16 pop. Google's had a $16 pop right off of that bottom. In this after hours volatility, you can make huge money. And what? Called the after hour earnings.